One of the person will act as a scrum master who will be the point of contact to the customer. Customer will report a bug to the scrum master. Scrum master, let's say we have a non-technical scrum master. He will share that information to one of your team member. That team member will go to all the way to Jira. He will create a bug. That bug will be discussed during the stand-up and is being assigned to the developer. Developer will be working on his local machine. Once it is done, dev environment is deployed. For QA, you need to go with the approval. During the QA, then you go to CAB meeting. You go to CAB meeting and say, hey, there was a bug. There's a Jira ticket. Developer worked on it. Here is a use case. It's working now. Bug is addressed. We would like to release it to QA environment. Basically, dev and QA, nobody will ask. I'm saying, let's take an example of acceptance. Change advisory board. Who is part of change advisory board? Again, QA engineer, developer, UI developer, backend developer, security engineer, DB admin, DBA developer. Everybody will be part of it. That means something is ready, we need to deploy it. Then they will take approval from the product owner. Hey, there was a bug. We fixed it. In dev, it's working. It's in QA, it's working. We have a test cases. And we would like to release it to acceptance. Then he approves. Then once he approves, clicks on button, code will be deployed to the acceptance environment. Once it is deployed to the acceptance environment, business people will test it. When they say, yes, it's working fine, then again, everybody groups together in a change advisory board, saying that, hey, acceptance is, we got approval. It's a time to go with the production. Let us know when to deploy to the production. So for your acceptance, for your production, you need to take an advisory board approvals. Without approvals, you cannot go. Whether it is practiced in the project or not, I don't know. But 90% of the organizations, projects, they use this CAB meeting. Change advisory board meeting, even though you automated CI/CD pipeline. Now take an example of Swiggy. For every 15-20 minutes, you see new changes. Yes or no? Let's think. From 6 a.m. to until 9 o'clock, you see some offers. From 9 to 12, you see some offers. 12 to 3, you see some offers. 3 to 6, you see some offers. 6 to 9, 12, you see some offers, right? That means change advisory board will be sitting, they will be discussing about what to release. For this 24 hours, 6 deployments. They will discuss first. They approved. Based on the approval only, the changes will be deployed into the production. For every 15 minutes deployment or for 3 hours deployment, there should be some board. They should discuss. So basically, this entire functionality is being used as part of ServiceNow. But same thing is offered by AWS under Systems Manager. What I'm trying to say so far is ServiceNow is a third-party tool. It's a pay-and-use model, software as a service, and per license base they charge. What all you can manage here is ITSM. ITSM. This is your ITSM. Information technology service management. Not only ticketing tool. Please don't use one single thing. It's ITSM tool. ITSM tool means you are joined to a project. Employee onboarding will be happening through ITSM. You need access to AWS, ITSM. You need a server access, ITSM. Your laptop is crashed, ITSM. You need your password to be reset, ITSM. So your entire infrastructure technology, information technology, service management tool is called ServiceNow. Like ServiceNow, AWS came up with management, systems manager. What you have here, change advisory board. What you have, application management and operational management, node management. Node means EC2 instances are running. Their management you can do it here. Patch management to your EC2 Windows or Linux. You have to do some patching. You can do it from patching here. Similarly, ServiceNow. So what is ServiceNow is doing? ITSM management.